Moyna's learning.
Moyna, something smells really bad.
Oh no, what happened to this food?
Is it spoiled or attacked by something?
Looks like a new mystery for Detective Disha. Let's solve the mystery of food. What made uttapam spoil?
Disha forgot her lunchbox at school on Friday, and she opened it after 3 days. The uttapam had turned smelly and had colored patches. Oh, Disha wondered, what happened to it?
Pause and think. What could happen if spoiled food is eaten by mistake? What did you do to get well? Eating spoiled food can cause stomach pain, vomiting, or indigestion. To get well, we may take rest, drink fluids, eat light food, or consult a doctor. Intro to microbes. Anna, look at this. Why are there colored patches?
That's mold, Disha.
Mold?
Yes, tiny living things called microbes grow on food and change it.
Microbes? Are they like little lice?
Even smaller, you need a microscope to see them. They grow on different things and change their taste and smell. This mold is made up of thousands of microbes.
Disha noted it in her notebook.
Finding.
Microbes are found in air, water, soil, inside plants, animals, and our body.
Whoa, tiny creatures all around us?
Yes, and they can change food.
Why food spoils faster?
Disha noticed that a slice of bread she had left on the balcony had developed colored patches. But the pickles her Pati made 2 months ago were still fine.
Why does some food spoil fast while some lasts longer? What do these microbes need to grow?
Microbes need moisture, air, warmth. Remove any one of these and microbes stop growing. All living things need air and water to survive.
Finding. Control air, water, and temperature to stop spoilage. So we can stop food from spoiling?
Yes, that's called food preservation.
Drying, pickling, and refrigeration are different ways of food preservation. Drying method. Disha's Amma and Appa were drying chilies on a mat under the sun. Amma, why are you drying chilies?
To make chili powder so they last long.
No water equals no microbes.
Finding. Drying in the sun removes moisture. Without moisture, microbes cannot grow. Pause and think. What other things are dried to keep them safe? Papad, fish, fruits like raisins, grains, and spices.
Sun is a natural food saver.
Pickling method.
Disha's Pati was pouring mustard oil into a jar of mango pickle.
Pati, why are you adding oil to the pickle?
Oil stops air from getting in. That keeps the pickle safe.
Finding. Oil stops microbes by cutting air supply. Pause and think. What would happen if no oil was added?
Air would enter, microbes would grow, pickle would spoil quickly.
Do you know?
Black pepper was so valuable that Vasco da Gama traveled to India to collect it.
Refrigeration.
Brr, so cold.
Why do we keep food in the fridge?
Because cold temperature slows down the growth of microbes.
Finding. Cold temperature means slow microbial growth. Pause and think.
Why does butter need refrigeration but ghee does not? Butter contains water, leads to microbes can grow. Ghee has no water, implies microbes cannot grow easily. So fridge is like a pause button for microbes.
Do you know? Matka is used to keep water cool naturally. Other methods. We also use salt, sugar, spices to preserve food. Finding.
Many methods are used to preserve food. In food factories, food is preserved in airtight cans and packaging.
Do you know?
Insects like hunting wasps preserved food even before humans. Hunting wasps don't eat their prey immediately. Instead, they catch insects like caterpillars. Then they sting them just enough to paralyze them, not kill them. When the baby wasps hatch, they get fresh food ready to eat.
Good microbes.
Wait, are all microbes bad?
No, some are helpful. They make curd. They make idli fluffy. Finding. Microbes help in making food. They also help in digestion.
Fun fact: fermented rice is healthy and full of good bacteria.
Indigestion.
Stomach pain. Eating outside food or too much junk can cause indigestion.
We should take curd or buttermilk for an upset stomach. Finding.
Bad eating habits can lead to indigestion. Fun fact: eating with hands helps digestion.
Seasonal food.
Disha went to the market with her tata and observed him carefully. Appa bought lychee on his way to home.
Yummy lychee after almost a year.
Lychee is a seasonal fruit. Fruits taste better when they are seasonal.
Local mangoes are fresher because they don't travel far.
Finding.
Seasonal fruits are best, and waiting for them increases the joy.
Activity time. Name 3 seasonal fruits or vegetables in your area. Fun facts.
India is the largest producer of pulses. Traditional Indian thali gives balanced diet. India is one of the largest banana producers. Bamboo is used in cooking in Northeast India.
Chewing and teeth. What happens to food after we eat it?
Different teeth do different jobs. Incisors cut. Canines tear. Premolar crush. Molars grind.
Why more saliva come out when we chew the food for long?
Chewing properly releases saliva, which helps digest the food.
Finding. Chewing food properly breaks down the food and releases saliva, which helps in digestion. Finding. Different types of teeth have different uses. Oral hygiene.
Disha was having a toothache. She visited the dentist with her parents. The doctor found a cavity, a hole in the tooth, and treated it. The dentist advised her to rinse the mouth after eating. Brush the teeth regularly. Eat fewer sweets.
Brush daily and rinse after eating. Finding. Oral hygiene is important.
Do not gulp down your food. Chew your food properly.
Final discovery. Mystery solved.
Some microbes spoil food.
Some help us to make food items.
They also help us digest food. Quiz time! What causes food spoilage? Sunlight, air, microbes, water.
Microbes.
Which of the following is a method of food preservation? Burning, drying, throwing away, breaking.
Drying.
Why do we chew food? To make it tasty, for digestion, to waste time, to cool it.
For digestion. Eat healthy. Preserve and store properly.
And chew well.
Mystery solved.